Hi coach, in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to create your session notes and then share it with your client. So I'm going to go to my contacts page and select my client. Now Belinda is engaged in diet and fitness for women coaching. I'm going to take a new note here by clicking on new note, and I'm going to type in my note title. I've added my note title and now I'm going to type in my note. Now I've typed in my note and I'm going to click save firstly. And now I'll click on this three dot button or ellipsis here and select share with client. Now you'll notice that the note has been shared. It was private before. So I could keep the note private for my eyes only, or I could share it with the client. I can also unshare it with the client if I need to. And you'll notice this little icon here appears, which indicates that the note has been shared. Now let's take a look at the email that the client will receive once you've shared a note. An email will be automatically triggered to the client. So let's take a look and see what that looks like. The email to the client looks like this. It has your name and it tells the client that you've shared a note with them. So here it provides the note title, and as the client I can click on view note. It will ask me to log in. So let's log in as the client into the client portal. Now I'm logging in to the client portal and I'm taken directly to the coaching program management page, to the note section, and this is the note. So I'll see here the note that was shared with me by my coach, and I can enter my comments over here. And add a comment. And you'll see that automatically an email is sent to me as the coach informing me that my client has inserted comments into the notes. So as a client, I can also take a note for myself. So in this case, I've entered my notes as a client and I'm going to save it. And I want to keep it private. However, if I do want to share a note with my coach, I can always do that by clicking on the ellipsis and clicking share with coach. I hope that was helpful. Thank you.